For 4 months, I lived a high-stakes experiment. I built a home AI agent to manage my family's zero-margin logistics, the medical questions, the hiking routes, and the daily schedules where a single error has a real cost. I gave it tasks that demand absolute accuracy, from diagnosing symptoms to plotting safe paths through the backcountry. But the failures that followed weren't the glitches I expected. They were confident, authoritative, and chillingly wrong. As I cataloged the mistakes, I realized they weren't random. A precise pattern emerged, a predictable, documented order hidden beneath the surface chaos of the agent's responses. I had made the practitioner's primary mistake. I had anthropomorphized the model, treating a sequence of tokens as if it were a mind that could be surprised. To understand why it failed, I had to stop looking at the conversation and start looking at the architecture. My research led to a precise realization. AI has no concept of what lying means because it is epistemologically indifferent to the very idea of truth. I found a system where confidence is swapped for statistical plausibility, and where the context window, what we call memory, suffers from a U-shaped curve that leaves the middle of your data structurally disadvantaged. I discovered retrieval systems that mistake similarity for relevance, and embeddings that capture the company award keeps while remaining blind to its actual meaning. These architectural properties are stable and predictable, yet they allow enterprise systems to fail silently, confidently, and at a massive scale. And the deeper I went into the mechanics, the more the illusion of understanding began to dissolve. I saw that the attention mechanism doesn't actually read, it weighs. It uses pattern completion where we assume inference, creating blind spots that cost more than just time. I learned that fine-tuning might change how a model behaves, but it rarely changes what that model actually knows. Responsible deployment isn't about finding a model without these flaws. It's about building systems that are engineered to account for them. This is the precise account of what each component of a modern AI system can and cannot know. This is What AI Actually Knows, a series on the gap between what these systems appear to do and the mechanics of what they are actually doing. Because the most dangerous thing a model does isn't making a mistake, it is looking absolutely certain while doing it. In our first deep dive, we dismantle the illusion of certainty. We explore why a model's confidence is a stylistic choice rather than a metric of accuracy, and what that means for the systems you build. Join me for the 7-part series, What AI Actually Knows, now available on Medium. Reach for the precision that changes what you build.